Hey guys, this is Jeremy. I'm from Indiana. Today I'm here with Superhairpieces. Originally I've been using the HD111 and I feel as if the density was a little too thin. Today I'm going to be using the M101 V, which has a thicker density. All right. How's it going? I'm here to get a new install.
Awesome.
Right on. How am I feeling? I'm feeling great. I'm about to get new hair. Am I gonna feel anything towards it? Sure am. I'm gonna love it. So I think that I will like the M101 V just because the base is only slightly thicker. The HD111, that was also V-loop too, and that one lasted pretty decent. So if there is hair shed, I'm not gonna notice that much because it has a thicker density.